Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here's page 22. And of Best in Class, Book 1. And our warm-up is on a G. Alright, I need to do something about that. I feel like maybe I used more slide cream than I should have, because it's moving slower than I would like. I usually use this cream called Trombone. But I had the Super Slick right here, and I think the Super Slick is good, but the Trombone stuff is a little bit better, and I probably need to re-lube the next chance I get with that, giving me better flexibility. All right, here is 98 warm-up. All right, next we have 99 cross buns in the key of E flat. And one of the issues I've often run into with hot cross buns, when you get to the quarter notes, keep a steady tempo. A lot of the younger students that I've taught, they get to those, they like floor through those. Da, 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 da. So you just want to make sure you're being accurate with your timing. And here we go, Rainy Day. D minor. All right, and on to Pretzel Parade. It was like a good hot pretzel, but besides the case, here's the C, new note. And here's the song. All right, next we're moving on, changing keys. So we're in a key of B flat for Morning is Broken. And Molly Malone, 103, is going to be an E flat with the 3 flats. Both are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, keeping time in 3. Molly Malone does have an anacrusis, fancy way of saying pickup note. And here's Morning is Broken. 1, 2, 3, 1. Molly Malone is going to start on beat 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.